Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battlefield 1 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off tips and hints within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battlefield 1 game on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to increase the difficulty by turning off hints and tips, then just pause the game and then go into options. Within the options page, you will need to go into gameplay. And now within this page, you will find the Advanced tab. Go into Advanced, and then inside the hint system, by default, the show option is chosen. You can simply click on the hide button, which will turn off all hints while you are playing. You may also disable the reload hint from the same page. Once you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved. If at any point you are stuck and you wish to re-enable the tutorials and hints, then simply pause the game once again, go into Options, Gameplay, Advanced, and then choose the show option. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable hints and tips on the Battlefield 1 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.